Now, politics over Ram Mandir refuses to end. The donation drive for the temple has triggered quite some political showdown. Former Karnataka Chief Minister H.D. Kumaraswamy has said that he was threatened to donate money for the upcoming Ram temple. He had earlier claimed that houses of people who are not donating are being marked, even accusing the Ram temple donation seekers of adopting Nazi policies. Now, Congress has also waded into this controversy. Siddaramaiah refused to donate money for Ram Mandir in Ayodhya, claiming that it is being built on a disputed piece of land and therefore he will not pay money for that Ram Mandir. Anywhere else he is willing to pay. TMC has also jumped into this controversy now. It's MP Mahua Moitra there, taking a jibe at Prime Minister Modi, claiming that it is better to be an Andolan Jeevi than being a Chanda Jeevi. Fuming over the remarks, Vishwa Hindu Parishad has said that volunteers don't force anyone to pay for Ram temple. It had, in fact, advised opposition leaders to check facts before commenting.
Several street ongoing people, they are collecting by threatening several people. I am also a victim. Some 3 persons, they came to my house. One lady in that. They threatened me. Why you are not giving the money? Please hand over the money. This is Rama's temple is our country's prime issue. Why you are not donating the money? Who is she? Whether any authorization to her to come and ask me? I request the VHP people who are the responsible persons constructing of Ram Mandir. I am requesting now also, please be transparent.
ನಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ರಾಮ ಮಂದಿರ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಬೇರೆ ರಾಮ ಮಂದಿರ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ದುಡ್ಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ರಾಮ ಮಂದಿರ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕೊಡೋಣ ದುಡ್ಡು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಡ, ಅಯೋಧ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ಟ ರಾಮ ಮಂದಿರಕ್ಕೆ
It is settled by Supreme Court. It is not disputed.
It is settled by Supreme Court or not still. ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕಾಂಟ್ರವರ್ಸಿಗಳು ಇದ್ದೇ ಇದ್ದಾವೆ. ಅದೇನು ರಾಮ ಮಂದಿರ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ದುಡ್ಡು? ನಮ್ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರ ತಪ್ಪು? ರಾಮ ಮಂದಿರ
ಸರ್, ಜನ್ಮಭೂಮಿ ಅಂತ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇದೆ ಹಿಂದೂಗಳದ್ದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
ನಮ್ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂದೂಗಳದ್ದು ಇದಿಲ್ವೋ? ಅದಾಯ್ತಪ್ಪ, ನಿಮ್ಮೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಆಗಲ್ವೋ?
ಕಟ್ಬೋದು ಸರ್.
ಸರಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಿಡು, ಅದೇನು ಅಯೋಧ್ಯೆಗೆ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕ? ನಂದೇನು ತಕರಾರಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಟ್ಟುಗಳ್ಳಿ. ಸುಪ್ರೀಂ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ನವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕಟ್ಟುಗಳ್ಳಿ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ರಾಮ ಮಂದಿರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಈ ರಾಮ ಮಂದಿರಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ.
शक्ति के अनुसार योगदान करने के लिए हमने विनती विनम्रता से पूछी है. किसी के ऊपर भी हमारा किसी ने विरोध नहीं किया है और बहुत बड़ा मात्रा में लोगों ने हमको स्वागत किया है. कई गांव में भी होगा, शहर में होगा, किसी को हमारे ऊपर कहा भी किसी ने विरोध नहीं किया है. हम जो कुमार स्वामी जी का वो बयान है वो हम विरोध करते हैं और हम मांग करते हैं कुमार स्वामी जी ने इसको आपका बयान के बारे में क्षमा मांगना चाहिए. ये विश्व हिंदू परिषद बजरंग दल आग्रह करता है.
Cutting across to Nolan Pinto, reporting from Bengaluru. Nolan, here is some of the leaders of the opposition, including Siddaramaiah in Karnataka. You have Kumaraswamy from the JDS, claiming that they have been threatened by those on a donation drive, in fact, who are collecting donations for Ram Mandir construction in Ayodhya. They've been threatened by them. Kumaraswamy makes that really serious allegation.
Well, in fact, Nabila, what is happening over here is this. When we spoke to the BJP about this, they said that, one, this is a highly irresponsible statement on part of Kumaraswamy. No one is being threatened. In fact, Malvika Avinash, a spokesperson here and a very senior leader of the BJP, says that as a former chief minister, no one can threaten him. So it really makes no sense when he's actually coming out and saying that someone is threatening him for asking 10 rupees. So if someone does not want to pay that money, no one's forcing them to do so. And if he's not interested to do anything with the Ram Mandir, then he should not wade into this particular effort. In fact, the RSS also here has said that they would not want to comment or make a statement to what he has actually stated. So this is the situation over here. So it's not just Kumaraswamy, the former chief minister, making that statement. Even Siddaramaiah, as a former chief minister, says that he would donate to any Ram Mandir, but not the one being constructed, because that is still a disputed property. Even though the reporter over there questioned him, saying that the issue has been solved, he says, no, I'll give it to any other Ram Mandir, but not this. But this is what is this situation over here. It's become a highly political issue in the state of Karnataka.
Absolutely. Nolan, thank you very much for joining us with those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, Like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.